If your scalp is looking like this, or this, please watch this video. I am going to take you out of scalp misery once and for all. I have transformed thousands of heads of curly hair, and let me tell you, your scalp health is almost more important than your hair health. So if you get itchiness, flakiness, irritation, or tons of buildup, that is what this entire video is about. By the end, you'll have a clear pathway to an amazing scalp, which always will lead in healthy, consistent, beautiful looking curly hair. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your scalp from looking like something like this to something like this, all by using one product, a tried and true serum by Fable and Mane. The Fable and Mane SahaScalp Amla Soothing Serum has over 1 million 5-star reviews on their website and millions plus more amazing reviews on TikTok, YouTube, all the social channels. So the purpose of this video is not to convince you to get it because there's already a million people doing that. Instead, I'm going to show the people who already have it how to make the most use out of it and how to really get the best results. I'm going to do that by number 1, showing you how this product works. 2, looking at the ingredients in depth with you to see how this product is actually able to clarify your hair, a serum able to clarify your hair. Weird, how does it work? And 3, I'm gonna show you step by step how to accurately use this product so you don't do it wrong again. So let's begin. As promised, let's talk about how this product works. The Amla Soothing Serum says that it's going to clean up product buildup from your hair and give you a healthy, balanced scalp. It's supposed to treat irritation and itchiness, manage your dandruff, and actually even hydrate your scalp. And clearly it's working because so many people love it, but again, how does it work? It's a serum, how does it do all of that? So number 1, how does it help you with your dandruff? The serum actually has a variety of proven ingredients to help with the symptoms of dandruff. It will help you with things like dryness, fungal imbalances, and lots of different irritations that you could have on your scalp. It does that by number 1, something called neem extract. This is an antifungal and antibacterial extract. When you place it on your scalp, it'll actually help balance your scalp's microbes, and these microbes, when unbalanced, can produce dandruff. Amla, which is where the whole product gets its name from, is also in there within Amla extract. It's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and it actually can support scalp health by reducing flaking. There's also turmeric inside of this product, which is also anti-inflammatory, and it can help soothe and reduce dandruff. And last but not least, rosemary extract. That stimulates your scalp circulation, which actually also helps with hair growth, but it has antimicrobial properties and clear dandruff causing buildup. So that's where the dandruff help comes in. Now, how does it clarify your hair? Because that's kind of hard to wrap around. Usually you're clarifying oils and serums out of your hair, not into your hair. While this product is not a traditional clarifying product like a shampoo that has heavy surfactants or sulfates in it, it does include ingredients that gently detox and cleanse your hair. Like rice bran extract is inside of the serum, and it contains something called ferulic acid that actually helps break down buildup. It also has something called black seed oil, which is great and known for helping to balance oil production in your scalp. It will also reduce clogged follicles. Then you have coconut alkanes in this product. They also help dissolve impurities without clogging pores. I don't know if you've ever seen on the shelves, it's very popular right now, like oil-based cleansers or oil-based body washes. That's basically what they're getting at with this serum. So how does the serum help remove your itchiness? Well, it uses ingredients like aloe vera, which is known to be super moisturizing on your scalp. Also cooling, it will also help with inflammation in your scalp as well. Lavender oil is also in there, which is also nice and soothing. It also smells amazing. Basil extract is in there, which can help calm an oversensitive scalp. And then again, the turmeric and the rosemary that I listed before is also great for anti-inflammatory properties. Number 4, how does it help with hair growth? Now, Fable and Mane actually does not claim that this product helps with hair growth. Just the people on the internet reviewing it says it does. So I think that that is really interesting. So can it help hair growth? I guess it kind of can, because that Amla oil, which is the key ingredient in this Amla Soothing Serum, it's able to strengthen follicles, which supports hair growth and reduces hair fall. It also has Vakuchi, which is an Ayurvedic oil that a lot of people use in Eastern medicine, again, for hair growth. Rosemary is also linked to hair growth. So it doesn't necessarily claim to grow your hair, but a lot of people on the internet says it does, and the ingredients also back up that claim. So that's how this product works. It has these types of ingredients in it that is able to cleanse, remove dandruff, reduce irritation, reduce itchiness, and even grow your hair. Now, how do you use this product? It is actually a pre-shampoo treatment, which is why my hair looks like this. It's a wash day, so I'm going to show you exactly how I can use this serum pre-shampoo on my curls. I'm gonna change my shirt so I don't get this all oily. I'll be right back. I love their packaging. I think that it is so cute. So the first thing you're gonna do is before you get in the shower, or even overnight, if you're going to shower in the morning, because you can keep this on your hair overnight, you're going to do this on dry hair that is ready to be washed. I'm gonna take some of the Fable and Mane serum and just apply it directly to my hands and then rub my hands together. Of course, you want to specifically get it on like your fingertips. The stuff smells so good. Then you massage it into your scalp. So I'm literally just going to take my very oily fingers. I'm going to start with the back of my scalp because I feel like that gets missed the most. I'm going to rub just this back section for like 30 seconds. The rubbing motion will also help stimulate your scalp, which is also really good. And that stimulation provides circulation, and where there's circulation, there's hair growth, which is why a lot of people probably also see hair growth, because even just the act of rubbing your scalp, most people just never do. So I'm just really getting that nice and in there, and I'm really focusing it on my scalp. I'm not really focusing it on my hair at all. It's not really for your hair, it's really for your scalp. This is probably my favorite smelling product, I think, of all time, and I'm really not just saying that. Okay, so that was the back. Now I'm going to take a little bit more and we're going to do the front. It really says actually in the instructions to really focus on your crown. And that's because that's where the most product buildup happens. And I actually have a lot of product buildup this wash day. Last wash day, I did a pre-poo treatment and then I didn't use a clarifying shampoo afterwards. And honestly, I just felt like it was like clogging up my scalp. So this is going to be very, 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 very needed. Taking a little bit more. There's not really a world where you use too much of this product. I mean, if you dump the entire thing on your head, you use too much. So you can really go in with as much as you feel like you need. And you really wanna focus on any dry areas, any areas that are irritated. A lot of times right here next to my temples feel really dry. And honestly, I can immediately feel that like soothing to my hair. It feels really, really nice. And it smells really, really nice. Taking a little bit more, probably in total I use like a dropper, a full dropper, maybe a dropper and a half. Really get that into your scalp. And then after that is all massaged in, you have to leave it on for at least 5 minutes before your shower. But like I said, you can also leave it on overnight. So if you want to really, really get more effects, you can leave it on overnight before your shower, or an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, half an hour, 10 minutes. But it's just minimum 5 minutes to really feel that nice effect to your hair. And let me tell you, it feels incredible. I know you're gonna love this. I really do. It's also recommended to follow up with the Fable and Mane Wild Ginger Scalp Scrub, and that's because a lot of times when you use a pre-poo treatment, you also want to clarify your hair because the oils, you know, tend to be a little heavier. So I'm definitely going to make sure to follow up with that for this product. I'm gonna wash and style my hair, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. My scalp feels like $1,000,000. I like really needed a nice clarifying. I really needed that detox done to my scalp. It was definitely overweight with like oils and previous treatments I've done on previous wash days. I think it looks phenomenal. Like the scalp just looks so healthy. There's, you know, life to it. There's volume. There's absolutely no oil or weigh down. So I am extremely impressed with this product. Fable and Mane, you have done it again. My scalp not only feels amazing, it looks amazing, and I'm really excited. Like, I really am going to incorporate this on more wash days. I think it's a great product. It smells so good. Like, this room is just smelling so much of Fable and Mane right now. It's like heavenly. So I highly recommend this product. If there's another product you want to see me review, definitely let me know in the comments. I would love to see if I can get my hands on it for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.